अभिषेक गए नीचे। अभिषेक नेगी की उम्र है 20, अवीजो की उम्र है 21। हाइट लगभग दोनों की सेम, वेट भी लगभग दोनों का सेम और स्टाइल दोनों का है MMA।
Make some noise for Avizo Lanamai! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, representing Uttarakhand, Abhishek Negi!
We've got Avizo Lanamai in the blue corner taking on Abhishek Negi in the red corner. Oh, nice leg kick by Avizo.
बहुत ही कड़क। मुक्का मारो, लात मारो, फिर टेक डाउन लो। ऐसे अगर आप टेक डाउन लेने जाओगे उसको डिफेंड करना बहुत
Nice, what a kick. Nice. Anything can happen in the next round or probably in the next 45 seconds.
और
Nice
अभिषेक गए नीचे। 4 punches, 4 punches straight on the chin and look
What
at
a
it now.
knockdown here.
अवीजो अभिषेक के ऊपर है, नॉन स्टॉप मुक्के मार रहे हैं। क्या फाइट यहाँ पे खत्म हो सकती है? राउंड में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं बचा है, 20 सेकंड, 28 सेकंड बचे हैं और अभिषेक ने थोड़ा सा अब अवीजो को कंट्रोल किया।
Watch him to create distance here and rain down those elbows.
Vicious.
Absolutely vicious. My goodness. Abhishek Negi was trying to take Avizo's heel.
10
However, those hammer punches just stopped him. 10 more seconds, less than 10 seconds into this round. Avizo trying to
एक के
finish
बाद
him.
एक मुक्के, कोनी,
What a round.
कमाल है,
what a
कमाल।
round.
अभिषेक ने टेक डाउन की कोशिश करी लेकिन
Nice
डिफेंड कर लिया अवीजो ने और यहाँ पे वो 4 पंचेस थे जिन्होंने अभिषेक को नीचे गिराया और उसके बाद अवीजो आए ऊपर और राउंड के आखिरी कुछ सेकंडों में उन्होंने पंचेस, एल्बोज जो मार सके मारा। ये देखिए, ये देखिए, ये देखिए, कमाल।
Abhishek. Oh, Avizo lands in. One more shot from that.
जब अवीजो मार रहे हैं क्या बढ़िया लैंड हो रहे हैं और लेकिन जब अभिषेक मार रहे हैं अवीजो बड़े आराम से वहां से निकल पा रहे हैं और अपने आप को डिफेंड कर पा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे अभिषेक ने किया टेक डाउन। क्या बात है। कोशिश तो कर रहे हैं वो ट्रायंगल पोजीशन को सेटअप करने के लिए लेकिन अवीजो ने भी कच्ची गोलियां नहीं खेली हैं।
Man, I love the way Avizo is fighting.
यहाँ पे
What a
देखिए,
Man, that's
कमाल।
excellent, that's spectacular. Reversals,
इसे
strikes.
कहते हैं MMA।
Avizo throwing in those big shots, big
बढ़िया
shots.
कड़क पंचेस। राहुल एक सेकंड के लिए बीच में ऐसा लगा था जैसे अभिषेक के पास बैक आ गई है लेकिन अवीजो ने तुरंत पलट दिया सिचुएशन को।
Abhishek trying to score in that heel, but he doesn't have it. He's got the
full
mount. That's a simple. That was very simple for Avizo. He's pounding in some shots. Man, he's got some heavy hands. Abhishek trying to escape in those shots.
यहाँ एक सेकंड के लिए लगा था अभिषेक के पास बैक है लेकिन अवीजो ने तुरंत पलट दिया।
Abhishek had some good moments. It's not like he didn't have good moments. He just wasn't aggressive.
Avizo Lanamai, 178 centimeters, has an 8-inch reach advantage over Dushyant.
हालांकि एक डिसएडवांटेज पे हैं, 10 दिन के नोटिस पे ही इन्होंने फाइट ली है पर चलिए देखते हैं क्या होता है इस मुकाबले में।
Dushyant landing those leg kicks. Looking for a takedown here.
ओह
Nice
बढ़िया
knee over the top.
knees,
Nice
एक के बाद
knees.
एक के बाद एक, क्या बात है।
Well, Avizo going all in, throwing in a lot of shots.
दुष्यंत बार बार टेक डाउन के लिए जा रहे हैं लेकिन अवीजो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उसको डिफेंड कर रहे हैं और जवाब में स्ट्राइक्स लगा रहे हैं।
Avizo doing a good job cutting him off and keeping his back against the cage. Avizo taking center of the cage.
कड़क मुक्के लगाए, जवाब में दोबारा टेक डाउन की कोशिश लेकिन अवीजो की मुक्कों और लातों की मशीन रुक नहीं रही है।
Oh, he was caught there,
बहुत ही
guys.
जोरदार मुक्का लगा सीधा जबड़े पे, क्या बात है।
Dushyant throwing in those big right hands.
Avizo looking for a
man.
Kimura here. Got him on it.
बहुत ही बुरी सिचुएशन में आ गए हैं यहाँ दुष्यंत। अवीजो उनकी पीठ पर है, मुक्के बजा रहे हैं।
These are heavy shots, guys. These are very heavy shots. Watch for Avizo to kind of wear him out and then flatten him out just like that, guys. He's going to wear him down.
Oh, कड़क मुक्के, कड़क। यहाँ से निकलना होगा दुष्यंत
Sinking
को।
that rear naked. Here we
Choke
go.
लग
This
चुका
might be
है।
the end of the fight, guys. This might be the
Well, that's
end.
kind of crazy.
फाइट कर रहे हैं दुष्यंत, लेकिन फाइट कभी भी खत्म भी हो सकती है। एक हाथ पूरा गले पे लिपटा हुआ है अवीजो का।
That was it. That was it, guys. What a finish.
Let's look at the action replay. Look at the way Avizo came in charging, relentless with those shots. Dushyant tried to throw in a kick, however, Avizo charged back heavy with his hands. And herein, Avizo tries to go in for that technical Kimura. Eventually ends the bout by taking Dushyant's back, locking in those hooks, and then a body triangle and choking out Dushyant.
Absolutely, Rahul. This is where it all ended.
Let's look at the tail of the tape. Avizo Lanamai, 21 years of age, 178 centimeters in terms of height. Made weight, his style is MMA.
Representing Nagaland, India, give it up for Avizo Lanamai! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, his weight 65.8 kilograms, fighting out of Maharashtra, India. Make some noise for Mohsin Sheikh!
And the action begins.
Oh man, style, look at that stance, very reminiscent. Avizo looking to close it. Oh, big head kick by Sheikh.
Avizo returns,
Max,
a couple of
Avizo,
shots.
Man, Avizo though staying patient, staying calm. He needs to watch out for that head kick because just as he dropped his hand.
Nice leg kick there to counter that. Stop him in his tracks. It's the cage.
The crowd supporting Avizo, a lot of support for him locally here. But Mohsin let him know immediately, put him on notice that this is not going to be an easy fight.
Nice knee there in that clinch of
He's gonna throw
Motion.
some knees to the...
Ooh, nice idea. Almost catches Motion sleeping. Good turn.
Good balance by Mohsin though, turns around.
Mohsin going in with the underhooks, like all
And
of us.
rightfully so, I mean, it was good. Oh, front kick to the face. Wouldn't that have been funny? Avizo's gonna again. Oh, very nice. He's dropped his mouth guard.
There is an eye poke.
No, the fight continues. There needs to be a break in action.
I don't know what's
Mohsin
happening
talking
with
to
the
the referee,
fighter.
saying there was
Mohsin is trying to get the referee to stop, but
he was
he's lost
protesting.
out.
He was
What the hell? You
protesting.
can't call timeout in a fight.
Exactly. I mean, especially in the middle of a scramble. If there's a lull in action, yes, the referee might stop it. And
I think he was saying a headbutt.
No, he was saying eye poke, I think.
Oh, very nice turn. Beautiful combination. And immediately unleashes a fury of in the clinch. But that was the first head kick that Sheikh landed on Avizo. And I think it was the stance switch that caused the difference. He switched stances, came up with a lunging left hook that cracked Avizo. And we all thought that it might be the end. But great composure by Avizo after that.
Yeah, he did a good job coming back. That hook landed clear, but Avizo takes it like a champ, and now I think turns the fight around in his favor, if you ask me.
Yeah, that last scramble there, Avizo did a good job, and we still don't know what he was talking about. He's,
No, it was an
eye poke, yeah.
It's an
He
eye
said
poke.
he's mouthing
He
out.
clearly caused eye poke or headbutt. And he tried to get the ref to stop the fight, but you can't do that.
A lot of strikes thrown in the clinch, and again, Sheikh now coming back with a sense of urgency.
Well, Mohsin is ambidextrous and he can fight in both these stances.
Nice. That's a good advantage.
Oh, nice
Good
body kick.
shot.
Again, body
Those
kick
kicks
and
have
left
been doing
hook.
a really good job. Oh, straight jab down the middle.
And Avizo now coming back. He's a gamer. He's stepping into the pocket with him. But I like the fact that Sheikh keeps changing stances. He's got different attacks from orthodox and southpaw. Lands an outside leg kick, a head kick, and a little bit of a beak kick.
Yeah, that was a nice combination. Put together, 3-kick combo.
Keeping that hand cocked.
Nice spinning back kick.
Good jab by Avizo.
Tries to get a catch hook on the way.
And lands.
Ooh, nice 1-2 combo.
And he reminds me so much of Rory McDonald. It might have changed the outcome of the fight. He had a deep double leg, and he almost had him to the ground, but the fence grab.
To be. Once is a warning, twice is a point of if you ask me.
Oh, big strikes being thrown by both men. And now Avizo looking to return the favor.
Goes in for the
good
takedown.
defense, didn't get taken down.
For sure, we can hear crowd cheering for Avizo. Mohsin is the underdog right now.
He's trying to go for those short knees, but good defense there. Keeping that leg up, keeping his hips apart.
Great defense. Almost trips him.
Nice little takedown, well done.
Mohsin tried to trip him there, got reversed by Avizo. Oh, he tried to look for that switch, but got trapped against the fence. Now that's the...
Referee catches him out again in the cage. That is definitely makes a huge difference and can affect the outcome of the fight. Here's a replay.
I mean, take a look at that replay, and you know, Des, we see that a big grab of the fence. He had a beautiful deep double there. Mark Goddard warned him about that, lets it go, gets him down briefly, but turned it around and points to Avizo for coming back. Flurry, both men, you know, this is as entertaining as it's a hard one to score because it's so back and forth. Nobody really maintaining the advantage for too long in any given position. A lot of great scrambles against the cage. I mean, great grappling work by Mohsin Sheikh. Showed over and over again.
Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. This is round number 3.
Nice jab and left hook combination by Avizo. Oh, that body shot hurt Sheikh a little bit. You can see him dropping his hands immediately.
Very nice body shot, lands clean. Avizo is light on his feet, great footwork, moving really well, landing some clean shots.
Against the cage, there's Avizo. He needs to be careful to not hold on to the fence.
Nice switch, nice scramble.
Oh, big left hook. Oh, here we go. Deep shot there. Good sprawl by Avizo. Uses the headlock to stand back up. But this has to be exhausting.
Okay, they finally break. Are they going to break for the last 10 seconds? The dirty box it out.
Oh!
Fantastic. What a fight.
What an excellent fight.
What a fight.
Let's look at the action replay.
I mean, look at that. Again, round 3 was another story. Beautiful knee here and back and forth. The switches, the reversals, the exchanges in the clinch. And look at that beautiful switch by Avizo. It's just this kind of skill that you hope to see, and it has lived up to every sense of the word. I mean, again, both men switching, reversals, overall jockeying.
For your winner, by unanimous decision, Avizo Landamai!